create. Arroz con vegetales. In essence, it's going to be vegetable white rice. I have 1 cup. For illustration purposes, I have 1 cup of rice. I have this water, the water at high. Let's shake it up a little bit. And what you do is, you put in about maybe 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch more water. So this was 1 cup of water. 1 cup of rice. I put 1 cup and 1/4 of water. You don't want to put a lot of water. You just have to keep it simple, okay? Before you start boiling, what you're going to do, you're going to put a couple drops, just drops of oil, pinch of salt, starting to boil a little bit, cover it, and then lower the heat to medium, okay? So, when you notice that the water have steam or evaporate, just give it a turn. It's not ready. Just stir this baby. Stir so it doesn't burn. Doesn't burn at the bottom. You don't want that for this. Cover up again. Let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Still at medium, maybe medium low. 3 or 4 minutes. 3 or so minutes later, 1 more stir. Stuff is ready. Get it out of the heat. Turn the heat off and get it out of the heat. And get ready for the next step, okay? Now I have a pan, cast iron. You can use any. And I have the vegetables. You can use whatever you want. You can go with sweet peas and carrots, maybe some green beans or French beans, some corn. You can use it from the can. You can steam them if not from the can, because you don't want this carrot to be hard. And you're not going to do stir fry or anything like that. You're going to cook this very quickly. So I'm going to start with butter. And I'm going with ghee butter in this case. Preheating. Let's go with ghee butter, right? And because you don't want things to burn, so you want to preheat it. Let it melt and let it preheat. Let me start with the French beans or the green beans, whichever you want. Corn. Sweet peas. Carrot, sweet peas, etc. And mix this up for a few seconds. If you want to add some salt, that's up to you. You don't have to. Just mix it up for a few seconds, okay? Maybe 30 seconds. You don't want it burned. Remember, it's not going to take a long time because those vegetables are already steamed or from the can or whatever. They're already ready. The rice is already cooked. So what you're doing is mixing things up. That's all. Making sure this arroz con vegetales, arroz blanco con vegetales is ready. This is white rice with mixed vegetables. I mix up. Everything mixed. See how easy? See how nice? Look. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to go out this work. Just keep it simple so you can put it in a container. And this is going to take about 2 minutes. You don't want to fry. So keep the heat at medium or lower. Keep moving it for a couple minutes until all the flavors are mixed. Everything is mixed well and cooked, okay?